This is how you connect n8n with Google Cloud and add a local LLM using Ollama in under 10 minutes. I'll show you how to install Ollama on your machine, run a model locally and make n8n call it with step-by-step process. So your automations can use a private secure LLM without complicated cloud setups. No prior experience required. I'll walk you through each step, show the exact commands and test a simple workflow live. Let's jump in. Let's go to the Google and type Ollama, then go to the Ollama and you can download it. You can download it based on your OS configurations. You can download it for Windows, Linux, and you can download it for Mac. For me, it's Mac OS. So I'm downloading it for Mac, download for Mac OS, and it is downloading. As you see on the top right corner, it is downloaded. And you can drag it to the applications and it went to the applications. So let's go to the applications and install the Ollama in our local and open it and give your password. I gave my password and OK. Now it is running on the local host colon 11434. Now it is running on Ollama is running on our local. Now we need to go to the Ollama and we can go to the models. Let's go to the models. And here, as you see, there are a lot of LLM models is there. GPT OSS, DeepSeek, Llama, Queen 3, DeepSeek, Llama 3.1 and Llama 3.2 and lot of models is there. These are called LLM models and we need to go to the Llama 3.1 which is very suitable for us and it have more than 100 million downloads and it have more than 8 billion parameters, 70 billion parameters and 405 billion parameters models is there. Don't ever dare to download this model which is having 243 GB because our GPUs are not well suitable for this. You can download 70 billion parameters which is having 43 GB based on your CPU, GPU and now we are downloading 8 billion parameters which is having size of around 5 GB. So let's go to the Llama 3.1 8 billion parameters and we are into the 8 billion parameter model and let's go to the benchmarks and as you see the benchmarks Llama 3.1 outperformed with the parallel models as Llama 2, Mistral. In the benchmarks testing most of the companies using standardized datasets and all. Now we need to go to the top of the page and copy the command which is Llama 3.1 8 billion parameters having and paste it in our terminal which is in local. Now copy it and open the terminal app, go to the terminal and you need to paste it here and hit enter. So the required Ollama 3.1 which is having 8 billion parameters is pulling. Llama 3.1 which is having 5 GB size, it is downloading our. We can chat with it. Hello, how are you? I'm giving one prompt, hello, how are you? And it is giving the result. I'm just a computer program, blah, blah, blah. And we can give, can you help me with n8n? I give this prompt and it is giving the required output step by step, which is in their memory. Till now, we use this LLM model in our terminal. Now onwards, we can use it in our n8n. Let's go to the n8n and get the chat trigger node and back to canvas and get the chat trigger node and we can connect it with the AI agent. We are connecting with the AI agent and here in this AI agent, we can connect the Ollama model. Type Ollama and get the Ollama chat model and here create new credentials and by default it is having localhost 11434 but by using this URL we can't able to connect to the n8n. In order to connect model to the n8n, AI overviews give us the another URL which is having this when we have Docker container. Let's copy this URL, copy the URL and then paste it in the n8n base URL. So paste it here and then hit save. When you hit save, then the connection tested successfully is appeared. So then our local llama is connected successfully to the Let's go to the models. By default Llama 3.2 is there, and you need to select Llama 3.1, which is having 8 billion parameters you have downloaded, and Ollama chat model is connected successfully with the AI agent. Let's take memory as a simple memory, and then back to canvas. All the chats will be downloaded in this simple memory. So let's open the chat, and we can able to chat with the LLM here. So let's type any message here. So I am typing hello, then the LLM gives the output as the hello, how are you today, so like that. AI agent uses Llama 3 model in order to produce outputs like this. So let's input some. Yes, I want to know about n8n agents, then hit enter. Then the model is thinking using this Llama chat model, and then it stores into the simple memory. Based on your system specifications, model will give outputs very quickly. For me, node is executed successfully. After that, when we go to the logs, and it gives me output within the 27 seconds, and lets you see the Ollama and simple memory. Let's go to the simple memory, and this is the inputs from the AI, which is Llama 3.1. And as you see, there are a lot of input parameters from the AI, and for the output it gives you as a schema. And then let's go to the n8n workflow. Output from the LLM is as given very detailed and very concise. That's how you can connect the self-hosted Llama 3.1 model using Ollama on your local machine. Not only 3.1 model, you can connect any other model based on your system configurations. So from the next video, I'll walk you through how to integrate it with n8n workflows step by step. Don't miss that one.